good day to all the employers in Hong Kong. By the way, my name is Ria Andikoy. I'm 40 years old, single. I graduated a Bachelor of Science in Criminology. I took a board exam but I didn't pass. Then after that, I plan to go to the Dubai as a first-timer housemaid. Then after that, there are four inside the house, so I just uh, look the 3 months to after 2 years old daughter, and this one son is for my friend also. My duties and responsibilities for the baby, it's speech and English, then teach them also sometimes like that. But I take shower for the baby, feed the baby, and after that I washing. Then after my finish my contract, I go back to the Philippines. And after a few months, I apply also going to Kuwait as a housemaid. But my baby is they are going to college already all, so they are five already. So after that, my duties and responsibilities as usual, it's only cleaning, washing, and ironing. But sometimes I go to the kitchen, help my friend for the cook the foods like that, prepare the table, because mostly in the Arab country they have always have visitors, so they are gathering all the families like that. And after my 2 years contract, I go back to the Philippines and I stay for how many years in the Philippines. And after that, I plan also to going again in the other countries. So now I'm here in Qatar. They are we are three in my house with my employer, but they are all already. They have one daughter. So just as my recipe is as usual, cleaning, washing, ironing like that. Sometimes I go in my friend in the kitchen, I help for the cooking, because we have every time they have gathering for the family and relatives, grandson, nephews, niece like that. So I help for the food like that. So this coming July, my contract will finish. So hopefully will choose me as to try Asia country to work in the Hong Kong. God bless you all. Thank you.